Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. Today I am going to solve one Math Olympiad PRMO 2017 problem. Problem is find the number of ordered triples ABC for positive integers only if ABC the product is 108. Before I start, I will thank you a lot for giving me so much motivation so far until date you are along with me. Thanks for your support and motivation. Now let's start this problem by factoring 108. So let's find out its factor. Prime factorization of 108 will be 254. I will write 227, 39, 33, 31. So if you can see 2 square it is, 3 cube it is. So anytime 108 can be written as 2 square into 3 cube. So let me write here 2 square into 3 cube. Now important point is 2 and 3 are prime numbers. If we want to write ABC in terms of its prime exponent base in the format which is we have got from 108. So that should be the correct way of solving this equation. So I will write A as 2 raised to the power m into 3 raised to the power n. I have taken A, B, C, the three factors of 108 in such a way that it is maintaining the same form which we have calculated from 108 factorization. So let us consider B also. B I am taking 2 raised to the power P into 3 raised to the power Q. Now C, what is left? R and S. So I will take R and 3 raised to the power S. Now let's substitute the values of A, B and C in our original equation. So equation will be 2 raised to the power m into 3 raised to the power n. This is A. B is 2 raised to the power q into 3 raised to the power q. And C is 2 raised to the power r into 3 raised to the power s is equal to 108 or 2 square 3 cube. Now by the property of exponent that we know A raised to the power, let me write here, A raised to the power B times A raised to the power C. Anytime we can add the exponents. So B plus C. So this equation will convert into 2 raised to the power m plus p plus r into 3 raised to the power n plus q plus s equal to 2 square into 3 cube. Okay. So now we will equate both the sides. Same base will have same exponent. So I will compare, and after comparison we can write m plus p plus r equal to 2 and n plus q plus s is equal to 3. Let's write m plus p plus r is equal to 2, and second equation was n plus q plus s is equal to 3. Now see, among three numbers m, p, r, this 2 is distributed. Among three numbers n, q, s, this 3 right hand side is distributed. So in permutation combination we know when we distribution only, this distribution of n identical objects among r things. So that formula is very important for us. That formula is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Distribution of n identical objects among r things. So here in this case distribution of 2, in 3 numbers, distribution of 3 in 3 numbers. So we will apply, this is equation number 1, equation number 2. Let me write that. So for equation 1, that equation, that NCR will form 2 plus 3. Among 3 it is distribution. So 1 C 3 minus 1. And from second equation we will write 3 plus 3 minus 1 C 3 minus 1. There are 3 numbers. So value of R is 3. And this is your N distribution. Okay. These values are N values. These values are R values as per our standard formula. So let's find out this value. So first value is 5 minus 1, 4C2. And second value is 6 minus 1, 5C2. Let's find both the values. So 4C2 will be equal to 4 factorial over 2 factorial into 2 factorial. The formula is NCR is equal to N factorial over R factorial, N minus R factorial. So if you will simplify, this value will come out 6. 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, that will be cancelled out. So 4 into 3, 12 over 2 factorial, that is 12 over 2, so 6. This value will be 6. Now second value 5C2, it will be 5 factorial over 2 factorial into 3 factorial. If you will simplify this, it will come out 10. So now take the product of our 2 raised to the power m plus p plus r into 3 raised to the power n plus q plus s. That equation was there, 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. Now if you will see, there are 6 ways and 10 ways. So here 6 ways, in this case 10 ways. These ways. So total, let me write there, total number of triplets will be, let me write A, B and C equal to 6 into 10. That means 60 ways. 60 only. Answer will be 60. Okay. So these sets we will get 60 total. In other ways also we can find out MPR. If you want to see, I can show you the first case, that is m plus p plus r equal to 2. I am taking 0 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 plus 0. See, these are 3 cases using 1, means 2 ones. The sum is 2, so 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Now if I am taking one number is 2, the remaining 2 is 0. So I will write 2 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 2 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 2, again 3. So how many total cases are there? For first equation, there are 6 cases. So see, these are the cases. 3 plus 3. Similarly, for equation 3, you will be getting 10 cases. You can identify, you can find out 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 3. You can find out this way. You are getting 3, 1. So it is 1, this is 3, and you can find out 4 more by taking 0 plus 1 plus 2, then 0 fixed here, 1 plus 2, and 0 fixed here, 1 plus 2. Now 1 plus 2 again, 2 plus 1. So here we will be getting 6 cases. So 6 plus 4, total 10 cases are there. 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10, 10, and here you are getting 6. So 6 cases here, 10 cases here. Because you have to multiply it, so answer will be 60. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot.